we have seen how to fill the register number automatically in the student registration number field. Now we are going to see how to save the details in the database. To save the details in the database, we have to create a method. Save student details. We have to create the database coding once again. Copy this. So we don't need this registration number here. So we have to connect the database, and we need a cursor also. Now we have to read the details from the fields. First we have to collect the registration number. Registration number is equal to, we have to collect the text box dot tb11 dot text. Then we have to collect the full name of the student. Full name. We can see this is we'll stop the project. Full name TB12, and copy this line and get all the details, other details also. Gender, date of birth, age, address, phone, email, standard. We need 7. 2, 3. Full name, gender, date of birth, age, address, phone, email, and standard. Here this is full name text box 2, gender, date of birth. Gender CB11 dot get current text. CB11 dot current text. Date of birth TB13, age TB14, age TB14, address MTB11 dot get plain text. Address MTB11 dot to plain text. We can use this method to collect the multi-line text box details. Phone TB15, TB16, phone, email, TB15, 16, and standard CB12, combox 12, current text. Now we have collected all the details from the interface. Now we have to store the details in the database. For that we have to create a query. Query is equal to insert into the table name student. We have to fill the details, field names, registration number, comma, full name, comma, gender, date of birth, age, address, gender, date of birth, age, address, age, address, phone, email, standard, values, insert into student all the field name except the ID. It is auto number, so we don't need to give that. Registration number, full name, gender, date of birth, age, address, phone, email, standard. These are the fields. We have to give the field name properly, values. Then we have to give the placeholders. Open bracket, close bracket. The placeholder for all the fields, percentage yes, comma, percentage yes, comma, percentage yes, comma, copy this. So we have 9 fields: registration number, full name, gender, date of birth, age, address, phone, email, standard. We have 9 placeholders. In the next line, we have to execute the query. Self dot cursor dot execute Q or Y and the parameters. We have to create a variable. Values equal to, we have to give the variable names for the registration number. This is the database field names, registration number, full name and all. Here we have to provide the variables that we have created here, comma, full name, comma, gender, comma, date of birth, comma, age, comma, address, phone, email, standard. Next 3. These are the variable names, and we have to pass these 2 things in the cursor.execute method value. Now we have to commit. The database is now inserted. We have to show the message and the label. Self.l11.set text. Student details saved successfully. At the same time, we have to show the message box, Q message box dot information self, comma, message box heading, comma, the message to display. Save the form. We have now completed the coding for the save student details. We have to link the save student details to the button 1 button 1 2. So to do that, go to the menu, self dot b dot clicked dot connect self dot save student details method name. That's it. We have connected the coding, connected the method save student details to the button B12. Save the coding and run the project. School.py. We have to write the except statement. I have forgotten the except statement. Except self dot l label 11 dot set text. Set text in save student plus e except con dot error e as e. So we have completed the form. Now we will run the form. Now we will run the form. School.py. We can see the login form, login, admin, login, students, add new student. We have to fill the details, full name. We have to change the type. We'll check everything. Oh my god. Go to the designer and select the text box. Echo mode normal. Echo mode normal. Normal. Echo mode normal. Normal. Save the form. Run the form. Admin. Students, add new students. Name or gender. We have not added the gender. We have to add the gender here. Double click this and plus, click the plus symbol. Male. 5th standard, 6th standard, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Now run the form. Admin. Students, add new students. Student name Ravi R, male student. Date of birth 11/2/2000. Age 11. Address STC. Chennai. Phone number save the student details. Click the button. MDB is not defined. mydb.commit. Save the form. Run the project. Enter the username, password, admin. Students, add new student. Ravi R, male, 11/2/2021. 2000. Age 11. Address Chennai. Phone number email @gmail.com. I have given all the dummy details. Save the student details. Click. L11 no attribute. Student details saved successfully. L11 L12. I have given the name L12. I have to change the name L11. Save the form. Run it once again. Admin. Login. Students. Add new students. The data already added to the database, so it is showing the register number 2. Kumar S, male, 10/1/2000. Age 11. Standard address Madurai. Phone number email @gmail.com. Standard 6th standard. Save. Student details added successfully. The message also is given here. We have completed the add new students form. Thank you for watching.